digging hole.
Dig.
You know how to dig?
How I get that?
Yeah. And then look, the puppies are running down the road.
I know what wood.
They're running through the meadows and down the road
The wood.
and over the bridge.
Oh, Emma! I want Emma.
Yeah, which one is the brown one?
Pink.
Yeah. And up the hill, and one after the other. One, two,
It's
three.
the puppy.
Yeah.
Oh.
One little puppy never reaches the top. He's the pokey puppy.
The puppy.
Yeah, he's obese.
The puppy.
Yeah. He likes to visit his animal friends in the meadow.
Mommy.
That's a lamb. And a
What's
squirrel.
that?
It's a cow.
Moo. Moo.
What's that?
That bunny.
It's a bunny. What's this?
Boy. Oh, the bunny.
It's a blackbird.
Papa.
And he stops to sniff it.
A spider.
Yeah, it's a spider.
I
You like spiders?
I know what spider. You could eat
It's a snake. What's this?
Ribbit. That
It's a frog, yeah.
Ant.
Did the ants bite you?
Ow. Eating one.
What's that?
The spider.
Oh. Do you know what
Yeah.
this is?
Oh, a big bug.
Yeah, it's a big bug, but it's also a caterpillar.
A caterpillar. Ah.
What's that?
It's a blueberry. Oh, wow. Blueberry.
Yeah, it's a strawberry.
That boy. Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
sometimes Pokey Puppy finds a red ripe strawberry.
Eat bone.
Yeah, he finds a bone. He likes bones.
Oh, what bone?
If he's lucky, he might find someone who likes to play ball.
Oh, he was a bat. He was a bad ball. Bat.
Who's that?
That boy.
Yeah,
Boy.
he's playing ball with the Pokey little puppy.
The puppy was play ball.